To create a different wall shape, the first thing that we're going to do is look at the wall from the side. So if it's an exterior wall, you can just go to an elevation view, but if you need to look at a different wall that's kind of hard to see from an elevation, you can make a section cut to then look straight on at that wall. So just make sure your section is pointing towards that wall so then you can see it. So I'm going to go to my section view to check that out. And now that I'm looking straight on, I'm just going to adjust my crop box so I can see my whole wall. Oh, this is a tall wall. So you're going to click on the wall and then go to Edit Profile. And then you'll see these pink lines, and you can start deleting those lines and drawing new ones. So if I wanted like an angled wall, grab the blue dots to drag back. Maybe I want like a cutout in this wall like that. I'm going to delete that line. So if you want interesting shaped walls, just hit your green check mark, and now your wall is that shape. So we can see that in 3D view that I have now created a unique wall shape.